Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I said in the previous video, we're gonna learn how to draw eyes using a glass marker. So without any further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Let's start drawing with the pupil and the iris. As it's a black paper, we don't have to draw the pupil but we have to highlight. Start drawing the strokes very lightly because if we make a mistake, we cannot erase in this black paper. If you erase, it will turn into brownish. So draw it very carefully. At first we drawed it with less pressure, now draw it with higher pressure so it will be realistic. Now let's move on to white part of the eyes. We don't have to make the full white part completely white, but make it look like faded so it will be realistic. Eyeball and the white part is complete. Now let's draw the eyelids. Along with the eyelids we have to draw the eyebrows. For opting darker values we have to leave the place. The eyelashes are very important in this drawing, so draw it with more patience. Below the eyes, simply shade from dark to light so it looks like faded. Now let's draw the upper eyelashes. Please draw the upper eyelashes very carefully because this is an important part in this drawing. Shade the eyelids in a faded way so that the drawing will be very beautiful. As is the black paper, so draw the eyebrows with less pressure. Then draw the brighter hats with more pressure. In the above eyebrows, repeat the same step which we used to draw below the eyes. Draw the small hairs above the eyebrow very carefully because the small particles in the drawing make the drawing very beautiful and realistic. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press on the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching.